What's the best way to soft boil an egg? Well, there's so many methods, there's so many tips and tricks out there. Away with all that fussing about. It should be simple. They're delicious and perfect when prepared simply. We're gonna honor them by doing it the right way. I'm gonna show you how to make the perfect soft-boiled egg, and it's so easy. Let's do it. I've got some boiling water. I'm just gonna turn it down so that I can place my eggs in. Once you put them in, bump up the heat and let it go for 6.5 minutes, and it's going to be the perfect consistency. It doesn't matter what color your eggs are. Brown doesn't mean better than white necessarily. What they're eating changes the color of the shell. But you want to make sure that they are organic and pasture raised, because those are going to be the most nutritionally dense eggs that you can find. You're getting complete amino acids, rich protein source. It is the perfect food, and I mean it when I say that. Make sure when you take your eggs out of the boiling water that you put them into cold water. That's to stop the cooking process, and also they're much easier to handle. I'm just peeling the top so that I could dig into it with my spoon, and then put a little bit of salt. I'm even gonna put a little bit of butter on there. Unless you're eating it with some buttered bread, which is perfect, I like to put a little bit of butter in there. It doesn't get any better than that. So simple, so perfect, so easy. Try it out. honestandtasty.com. Subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed, and do the little ring bell thingy. Click, like the video, make it, benefit from it. So good for your body, so good for your soul. See you guys next time. Bye-bye. What's the... I think that fly like attached to my finger, by the way.